Just keep in mind that at the beginning it's always difficult to stay on budget and do not spend more money that you actually have.
Just be aware of what you're spending and where. That's the, I think, key to budgeting.
The more you plan, the better it will be, because you know what you're eating, when you know what to buy, you won't waste anything.
So just write out, maybe on a spreadsheet or something, how much you are expecting to spend each week with your accommodation and your food and your leisure activities.
That awareness will allow you to know when you're doing something wrong and when you're spending too much.
It's useful to maybe download an app and just note how much money you're spending either each month or each week, and in what activities.
It's quite important to separate your money, even if you took it out at a cash point and put it in a sort of pot or anything. Just separate your money, because it's easy to think, oh, I've got all this money, that's how much you can spend, but you do have things to pay for.
Always, I suggest buy first your necessities, for example, food, bus tickets, or anything is necessary for you, and then spend the rest of your money in additional activities.
When you're doing your washing, I always used a drying rack to dry my clothes because the tumble dryer was very expensive. You could get a friend to do your washing with because they're quite big, so I like to wash my clothes every week, but normally I wouldn't have enough to put in the washing machine, so I would share it with someone else and split the price.
Do bulk cook food, do buy bulks, go look out for deals of toiletries, stuff like that, because every little thing helps.
If you cook meals in groups, like in your flatmates, then you can buy a lot less stuff and make such a big meal between you, and it's so much cheaper.
Check that you're not spending too much, and check that you have enough money to actually buy exactly what you need to stay healthy and happy throughout the university year.